The parathyroid gland is embedded in a fibrous capsule that merges with the fibrous capsule of the thyroid gland, because the parathyroid, the two pairs of parathyroid glands are embedded actually in the thyroid gland. So there's a fibrous capsule, and histologically there are two main types of cells. There are chief cells grouped in trabecules or clusters, and there are oxyphil cells also grouped in clusters. So I'll start with the chief cells. Trabecules and clusters. And the chief cells are slightly basophilic, and they are producing a hormone called Parath hormone, which using various mechanisms is increasing the calcium in the blood plasma. There are more mechanisms how this can be achieved, for example by increasing the release of calcium from the bone, by the activity of osteoclasts, or also the calcium reabsorption in the distal tubule of the kidney nephron is increased. Another mechanism is that it promotes the formation of the active form of the D vitamin, which is called D3 or calcitriol, and more specifically it's the step that happens in the kidney, one of the hydroxylation steps. And the D3, the calcitriol, is actually hormone that, for example, promotes the resorption of calcium in the intestines. So by these various mechanisms, the Parath hormone will increase the calcemia and its biological availability in plasma. Then we have these oxyphil cells, and they have lots of mitochondria that makes them acidophilic or oxyphilic, that's the same. That's why they are eosinophilic, which is the same as oxyphilic or acidophilic. These are synonymous. And the function is unknown so far. There is a interstitial connective tissue stroma here. which during aging accumulates adipocytes. So I will add some fat cells here, and these eccentric nuclei. And that's it. Oh, not to forget the capillaries, of course. Every endocrine organ contains capillaries that are collecting the hormones that are released into the capillaries. Mostly these are fenestrated capillaries, the more permeable type of capillaries.